I'm making a big old thing of iced tea. I will be showing that off in just a few. Good morning, everyone. Well, my plan was to do a product review and show you a little bit of stuff I got going on. This little one had woken up early and decided to take a nap early, and I was hoping to get a couple hours of peace and quiet to get a few things done, and she laughed in my face and went, "Oh, that's not gonna happen." So I'm gonna do this from the couch. The thing I wanted to talk about today was my mother actually found these and said they were delicious, and so we tried them. It is the Lipton iced herbal tea, the strawberry watermelon. It is, my window in the back is so bright, it's causing a halo effect. These are awesome. I have done I've done the, what is it, the passion fruit one that's supposed to be like the Starbucks pink drink. And honestly, I don't like the tea. It just doesn't, it's very, pungent's not the word I want. It's very strong for a tea. And so when my mom had me try these, I thought, these are perfect. This is sort of that lightly fruity sort of flavor. And as you can tell, I made a drink. This is where the backlight comes in handy. I made a drink. It is not that huge bright red that you see on the in that passion fruit, but it is really good. Hi, yeah, I know. It is really good. It is a very, very mild flavor. Slightly watermelon, slightly strawberry. So, yeah, go pick yourself up a box. We have a little trouble finding it, so whenever my mom finds it, she cleans out the store, which is somebody else probably doing the same thing, which is probably why we have trouble finding it. But they are awesome. We really do like them. It's caffeine free. So, you know, you can drink it at night and don't have to worry about the jitters. But that is really, really good. And there was something else. Yeah, she's having her bottle. There was something else I was going to talk about. Well, I don't remember what it was. So, that's that. No weight updates yet, so that'll be this weekend. I'll weigh myself again. She's talking away. So yeah, I gotta write these things down. Oh yeah, I ought to. But yeah, so probably not gonna have anything on dinner tonight. I'm not really sure what we're doing. Cooked up some chicken thighs. I want to do like a chicken cauliflower bake and see how that turns out. But it is open house at my daughter's school, so that's from like 6 to 8 or something. So probably not gonna have much of dinner. So it's gonna be grab and go sort of thing. So maybe tomorrow. So we will talk to you later. Bye. Say bye. Bye.